Hello everybody, Blaze Lantern here, and welcome to, I guess, an unboxing and review of this little figure that I have no idea what the name is, since I can't read Japanese and Google Translate don't want to translate it. So, down below, tell me what the hell this is. Well, the name of it anyway. So, let's just go around. It looks like it's gonna be a marble type toy, and I'm guessing that this will be the Sarzaku thing. Anywho, let's get to it. Rip it open, open it up. And what we got is stuff, actually. This needs to be assembled. Okay, that's cool, I guess. So here we go. Here's the one thing. The runner and another thing, a runner. There is a spring. Huh. So, be right back. I'll put this together and we'll get started from there. And there you have it, folks. All put together. Now, the one thing I realized when I was building this, I mix up the parts. First of all, I used the wrong clear part for this one. This part is supposed to have the Zaku design dome, and this one is supposed to be such a clear dome. And also I put, as you can see, I already put this one a little bit crooked. But, oh well. And it's fairly simple to put together. This is just a slip on the pieces, and as the Zaku head will pop off. And of course, to put it back on, just slip it on. If I want to go back in, of course, sometimes it does not want to go back in. Oh, okay. There we go. And that's back in. And for the cannon, what they're look like, what they're going by the box, what they're looks like, you know what they're supposed to do. You hold a cannon, you aim it, not fumble it, and go boom. And you destroy the Zaku. And overall, it's interesting little toy. And you could, each part is reversible, so they're the same part. You could just flip-flop it with the way you see the fit. And the only other thing, you get this extra doohickeys, which is not really used for anything except to connect two of these little dudes. And the only other accessories you will get from this is their standard Zaku machine gun. And that will be about it. There's not much anything really to say. The only thing I will comment on, although now it make me a liar, but yeah, the springs tend to come out easily if you have it actually. Yeah, it is making me a liar. Okay. The spring tend to come out, so be careful of that, because sometimes you fire it and the spring go launching a ball. Happened twice with me, but now it's not doing it. Yeah. Okay. Well, that will be it for this video. Comment down below what you think about these type of kits, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.